today, MyFM and Gan Chev and Canadian Tire all live on location at Metro and No Frills. We are trying to raise some much needed food and funds for our local food bank here in Gananoque. The food bank is in need this time of year. It's kind of in the off season where people aren't normally donating,
and there generally isn't a food drive at this time of year. The food drive expressed to us that there was a need, so that's why we're here.
Right now, the situation at the food bank is ugly. The shelves are bare. We need to fill them up.
So they're looking for all kinds of donations.
Backpacks, school supplies, clothing. There's also a need for healthy lunches, snacks, breakfast to make sure the kids are set up for their day of learning and play at school.
But they do also buy produce and things like that. So with monetary donations or gift cards from the grocery stores, it allows the food bank to buy those things on a weekly basis.
We do this because we like to give back to our community. MyFM is deeply entrenched, obviously, in everything Gananoque.
MyFM is all about community, and we do want to get involved, and we want to help every organization in this community that needs help.
So a lot of these small groups like the Food Bank or the Humane Society or nonprofit groups, they don't have the funding to pay for advertising. They always have a small group of volunteers. So we like to rally our troops, help pitch in, and help give a voice to these small groups that otherwise wouldn't have one.